Welcome back again to another episode of Potato Loop, where we are going to take a look at the Asahi MW2001 microwave. So this is going to be really crazy because we're going to test this one out, the Wallet Ninja. So without wasting any more time guys, I am sick and let's get right to it. Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to do the unboxing. Here we go. Let's do the Ninja Wallet time. Don't play with knives, kids. This is the most awkward unboxing. This is heavy. Get out of the box. Oh, so heavy. Alright, so what you can see here is that this is the microwave itself. It is really that color and it's really red. You can see the power bank right here, and don't be illusionized because this is transparent and you can actually see the reflections on this. So it has its classic look of like the traditional type of toaster slash microwave, or this is actually a microwave that is so retro. Okay, so what we have here is the software instruction manual and the warranty. I'm not going to do the Ninja Wallet style anymore. This is going to be painful, not allowed for our viewers. So here we go. You can actually see that we have the service center, and go on to the other one, which is the warranty. If you want to send your problems to the service center, this is actually what you're going to use it for. And also we have this microwave oven instruction manual. Not really your typical type, but it is really classic, to be honest. No colors at all. Next one is actually your tray, which this is going to be dangerous. Alright, so this is going to be your tray. Here we go. It is made out of tempered glass, and this is actually really good for microwave oven only, 32L. And also here we go, we have our spindle motor to make the motor work. Okay, so for the specs on this one, this is actually a tech, more likely an appliance tech. So we do it on a different vibe here. Yeah, I like that. Okay, so here we go. What you can see here is that it has a black finish with some of the flowers right here, and it is actually good. This is a tempered glass, and here we go. Go on to the specs. So the specs on this one is actually on the black side, which is actually heavy, which is actually heavy. So for the specs on this, it is actually a model MW2001, rated voltage of 230 volts at 60 Hz. You also have the rated input voltage of 1200 watts and the rated output around 700 watts. And the frequency of the microwave is 2450 megahertz, and the capacity of it is 20 liters. No wonder it is actually quite heavy for some, but this is the power supply. It has its own grounding connector, and yeah, I mean, I cannot conclude this, but here we go. I'm going to send it the price range. So this is not your typical, so this is actually a microwave. That is actually a different episode. Alright, so what you can see here, it's not really that roomy. It is a little bit small, but I could say for a traditional microwave, this is actually portable. If you have a portable type of kitchen where you have small type of space, this is actually a really great for this is a really great microwave. So what you can see here is that there are a lot of dials from low, defrost, medium low, medium high, and high. This is actually going to heat up your food really easily. And this is their timer, and that is actually how it is. You can hear the ting that it is done. There are a lot of microwaves that uses a push button or membrane switches, but this one doesn't have an indication whether you want to microwave it for 1 minute and 20 seconds, more like that. But yeah, I mean, it's okay. So in conclusion, I could say that this is a great microwave. It has a sturdy build quality, I could say, but I'm not going to do a review because this is not really more tech related, more likely tech appliance type of review, which I'm not really a type of person who can do that, since I'm into computers and all the other stuff and mobile phones. So yeah, this is not your usual review, but here we go, going to the conclusion. If you want to buy this microwave, you can actually get this one on Lazada and all the other stores, and I would say I could put a USD dollars in this one. So for the Filipinos, you can actually see that on the description on how much does it cost, because I can actually give you the exact cost of it, because I cannot give you the exact cost of it. So that is the end of the episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. This is just a little bit more like a filler unboxing without any kind of a station. I'm not going to turn it on because we don't have food here. So yeah, that is the end, guys. See you guys in the next video.